Okay, an update in Apple here as of the close Friday, the 13th of May, 2022. And the price action is pretty evident, right? Obviously, we've come off the all-time highs up here. Apple is no longer the most quote-unquote valuable company in the world. I think that honor falls to Saudi Aramco. Honor, quote unquote, falls to Saudi Aramco. I think I'm pronouncing the name of that company correctly. But more specific to Apple, to the extent that it concerns you or it's important to you, look how it's responding to support from back here, right here, right? Does that mean it's the low? I have no idea, right? And anyone who tells you that they know for sure is trying to sell you a bad bill of goods, right? This could bounce back up here to what it will now be resistance in this area, right? We could bounce back up here and fail and head down to lower lows, right? And challenge what to me is a pretty evident support box back here, right? But even so, right? Even if that happens, right? Your job is to sit on your hands unless and until we get back up here, right? That's just being consistent and trading these names the same way, trading them properly. So that would be my suggestion if I were to give you one, right? I was going to remove this chart pattern, but then I thought better of it, right? Because it just showed how this ultimately worked out, right? Nice triangle here. And once price broke out through here, right? You went up, you pulled back to support, you went higher, all-time highs up here, pulled back to support again, went higher again, couldn't breach the highs this time, and fell back, breached the bottom of the channel. So for all intents and purposes, if you were a long time or a long holder, and you're new, I would say be flat, right? And wait for price to get back up here, give you a signal on a lower time frame, and you're off to the races. Okay. So that's it on Apple. I don't have a lot more to say. I would be watching this price area up here to see if price can get back up here, right? But other than that, I would do nothing. Okay. So any questions, feel free. Barring that, we'll see you next time.